Umoja 2018 takes place on Friday and Saturday, September 7th and 8th. And this morning, Dr. Keith Johnson, chair of the ETSU Department of Engineering, joins us to discuss a robotics event taking place during this year's Umoja Festival. Doctor, appreciate you being here.
Thank you.
Let's talk about this robotics. I mean, this is a field that's really taken off in the past several years. It just seems like it's becoming more and more part of our culture.
Yes, Chris. Robotics is something that is big in the community as well as across the country. What we're finding is that even in the medical field, we're doing a lot of robotic surgeries.
Right. In
the manufacturing industry, we're starting to do a lot of assembly of vehicles by robotics. That cuts back on potential injuries, carpal tunnel syndrome, things that people typically will get when they're doing repetitious types of behaviors in the workplace. And
this robotics event that's going to be taking place during the Umoja Festival, tell us what that entails.
Well, it's going to be an event where we want to introduce students to robotics. Robotics is a part of the whole STEM concept, which is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. We want kids to understand that with understanding robotics, the world is so open to so many occupations associated with robotics. A lot of the industries that they will go into have now become automated.
Right.
And just understanding these concepts here that we use to develop these robots could be applied in implementing in pretty much any environment.
And you said these two robots you have here were designed and developed by high school students.
Yeah, these were high school student robots that were designed this past summer. These were 8th through 12th graders. And as you can see here, they created the robots. They were able to implement remote control. So they've had a huge concept of things that they now understand about the whole process of robotics.
And let's talk about, the whole engineering department at ETSU. Robotics is a small part of that, but a very important part. But lots going on at ETSU as far as engineering is concerned.
Yes, we have a new engineering program which started just a couple years ago. We also have engineering technology. Engineering technology has several concentrations from manufacturing to biomedical engineering technology to industrial construction. We have surveying. We also have interior architecture. And for the strict engineering program, we have general engineering.
All right. Dr. Keith Johnson, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We'll give you some information right now. Umoja, Unity in the Community, is happening September 7th and 8th. And the robotics event is going to be taking place in the Kids Zone. And it is happening in downtown Johnson City. There is a number, there is a website for more information. And in just a moment, we're going to be heading over to the kitchen. It's all about pad thai this morning with Serenity Knoll.
Are you looking for the